Now let's discuss 6 reasons why I believe the Bitcoin price will reach $200,000 per coin sooner than later. Let's break this one down, shall we? An analyst and YouTuber, Crypto Rover, suggests that it is highly anticipated Blackrock ETF receives a green light. The value of Bitcoin can soar to $200,000 per coin, which represents an increase of 663%. Let's go. Let's explore the 6 compelling reasons that Crypto Rover presents to support his claim. Here's the X post he shared right here, quoting him word for word. I think Bitcoin will go to $200,000 plus if the Blackrock spot ETF gets approved. So Mr. No Clarity Gary, let's go. Here are the 6 reasons why the approval is imminent. Number 1, BlackRock, the largest asset manager in the world, has an impressive ETF approval rate of 99.8%, with only 1 rejection throughout its history. That's right, it's something like 575 times the SEC approved their ETF app and only rejected it once. So that's a great indicator that we can get this approval sooner than later. Number 2, during the 2008 financial crisis, the US government and the Fed solicited BlackRock to devise a strategy to navigate the situation. This demonstrates a high level of trust in BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager. They're probably more powerful than most of the governments of the world, as they control more assets under management than GDPs of major nations around the world, right? Number 3, the CEO of BlackRock, Larry Fink, recently expressed a favorable view of Bitcoin, describing it as digital gold and emphasizing its potential role in portfolio diversification. Facts. Number 4, BlackRock had previously introduced a private Bitcoin ETF tailored for institutional investors. Number 5, spot Bitcoin ETFs have already been established and are active in both Europe and Canada. And number 6, additionally, other major asset management firms, including the likes of Vanguard and Fidelity, have submitted applications for their own Bitcoin spot ETFs this cycle. So I feel it is 100% inevitable. It's coming. Even Mr. No Clarity Gary of the SEC is not going to be able to continue pushing this back for much longer. So next year, peep this, fam. In literally 6 months' time, we can have the Bitcoin halving and a spot Bitcoin ETF in the United States finally approved, the 2 biggest bullish catalysts that exist in Bitcoin around the same freaking time. Add on that the supply demand. You know what I mean? Stock to flow, supply and demand, supply shock. There's less than 2 million Bitcoin currently sitting on the exchanges. Do you know if they launch the ETF, BlackRock is going to have to be holding the underlying asset? Have they already accumulated, or are they looking to accumulate mass BTC? I think their boys over on Wall Street and the SEC, they're trying to suppress the prices so they can keep stacking, so when they launch, they're ready to go. Would you rather purchase Bitcoin at 20,000 a coin or 200,000 a coin? I think BlackRock much rather purchase it at 20,000 around this ballpark, the same as any investor would. So to me, that only makes sense. I am more bullish on Bitcoin right now than I have ever been in my entire life, and I cannot believe we are so close to 2024. This is going to be an incredible year. How many of you this will be your first halving event? Let me know in the comments right down below. And if you gain value out of today's show, go ahead and smash that like button. I greatly appreciate that, as it helps out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm.